Hi, this is Luke 4 Production Expert, and this is Tomofon from Klevgrand. Here's my track, and it sounds like this. Now, Tomofon is a real audio synth, so it has an architecture all of its own, and it uses something called audio models, which contain sets of oscillating waves extracted from monophonic audio. And Tomofon has been designed so that sounds can morph seamlessly between the pitch information in the pitch zones from left to right, and also through the depth information, which is the different wavetables stacked up from top to bottom within each note. And that way you can pull your own audio into Tomofon for the audio model treatment. And there's a great demo of this using voice over at the Klevgrand site. So back in the main view, we've got the gain tab, which is a classic kind of amp envelope setup. So we've got attack, decay, sustain and release. Although because of the architecture of Tomofon, we actually have a loop phase as opposed to a sustain one. And then in the depth tab, this pertains to the up-down movements in the audio model down at the bottom there. I can hold modifiers to add or delete breakpoints and move those around accordingly. And in the pitch tab, we get similar control, so we get time domain control over pitch, so that pertains to the left-right movement down in the audio model. So when I press play, I can see what my yellow dot is doing. And I can apply LFO to that if I want. Bit of extra modulation there if you need it. In the filter tab, it's the same deal, so we can apply spectral control over time. And over here we also have some usable effects as well. So we have delay, we can edit them if we just go in here, and a simple reverb with a few different algorithms if we need them also. There's even a 4-band parametric in there too, so we have just that extra final broad brush control if we need it. We've got some nice realistic voices. Nice range of guitars and world instruments. Loving these tremolo violins. And something a bit different, this cool harpsichord over here, liking that. So those are the features and sound of Tomofon from Klevgrand. To find out more and to read our full article, head over to the Production Expert blog.